Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'll be sharing with you a little cleaning motivation. This is our main level. It's right after the weekend. It's Monday morning. My family is off to school and work, and I was here planning my week and all of that. So I'm just sharing a little motivation with you. I'm going to tidy back up my complete main level because it's just a little bit of chaos. Please enjoy. If you're not already subscribed, please do so at this time. And if you already are, make sure your bell notification is turned on. And I will speak to you guys very soon. I will have a first impressions of this cordless Dyson vacuum. I will have one very soon, so stay tuned for that. Now it's time to move over in the living space. I'm going to get everything wiped down, and then I'm going to go in and vacuum the floors, fluff the pillows, and just straighten up here. Remove all the items that may have been left from the weekend. you are enjoying this cleaning video, it's giving you a little bit of motivation, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Now that my main level is almost complete, I feel so accomplished. I just feel like I got so much done today. Sometimes it's not the easiest thing to get up and get motivated, especially on a Monday, but I'm so happy I got a lot accomplished. The kitchen is clean, and I got the bathroom as well wiped down. Thank you so very much for rocking out with me on this beautiful video, and if I can help you and encourage you to get to cleaning, I hope I inspire someone somewhere. Thank you once again, and I will speak to you guys very soon. Bye for now.